Hey everyone, this is Andrew from Wiha Tools, and today we're going to take a look at the Wiha Magnetizer and Demagnetizer. We're going to show you how to use it, how to get the best out of it, and how to magnetize and demagnetize your screwdrivers. Magnetize your screwdriver by slowly passing it through the magnetized side. Your driver will then be ready to attract screws. To reverse this effect, slowly pass your screwdriver tip through the demagnetized side, making sure to touch the wall of the opening. Screws, metal shavings, and more will now not be attracted to your driver. For magnetization and demagnetization success, refrain from using parts under 1 inch in length or 1/8 inch in diameter. These may not demagnetize. Questions, comments, or concerns about the Wiha Magnetizer and Demagnetizer can be placed in the comments below or directed to our customer service team.